Hi, everybody. Ooh, looks like we're going flying today. Sweet. Where are we going today? Nowhere. That's right. Because my camera just sucks. Fucking piece of shit. Alright, actually, quick update on that. My camera died. So 2 days ago, I'm in the hangar, just working on some wiring, camera dies. That's it. Won't turn back on, take the battery out, try it, and won't turn on. Dead. Try to reset the battery, won't turn on. So, got a new camera arriving tomorrow. About one every about 18 months seems to go out. Alright, so in this video, my buddy Paul's come by to check out some stuff. He has worse pandemic hair than me. So we're working on putting on the GPS antenna. So we've got the GPS antenna, one of those nice, just, sort of tear-shaped, puck-style antenna. And we're going to be replacing it on the top of the fuselage, back behind the rear window. All right, so this is a very popular spot. You'll see where it is in just a little bit. We're going to put both antennas back there. So we're going to put the GPS antenna for the G3X system, and we're also going to put the WASP GPS antenna for the WASP GPS radio, the GNX 375, which I owe you a story about that too because I've ordered it finally. Pulled the trigger last night while drunk, so that was always funny. All right, so here's so the thing with the two antenna on the top, right? There's no cable there. We're gonna run the cable in the future, but for now, it's like, all right, I gotta find a place to actually put this. There's a nice template that Garmin gives you for the puck antennas, right? And that's just to make the little bracket that you see up top. So there's a doubler that goes in, and thankfully, it's got even a little chart. So because the skin here is 32 thousandths or thinner, you need to have 63 thousandths thickness of the doubler. And it's kind of hard to tell where it is because it's taped on there, but it's there. So made the doubler, made sure that the holes of the antenna fit through, and now simply going to match drill onto the top. Looks can be deceiving because of the wide-angle nature of the camera, but as you can see, sort of in front of that close piece of tape that's holding down the doubler, you can see a row of rivets. It's about inch, I'm going to say 2 inches away in it behind that. Because the tailcone has stiffeners going all the way down, you have to be careful about where you mount it. Plus, of course, you also want it to be straight, etc., etc. So here I am drilling the big hole. Having a good step drill is great for this because a step drill is very forgiving, and if you're slightly off center, you can always sort of lean into the step drill to sort of recenter yourself, which is nice. So once that's done, you can see the puck fits on there really nice. The WASP GPS one is actually going to go on the other side of the center line of the tail, and it's also going to go about a foot behind it. The idea being you'd like to have at least a foot between the two antenna along both the longitudinal and lateral axis. No one cares about the vertical one. One of the I owe you the radio story. So yeah, what can I say? A nice dinner with some good chicken and a hearty, generous glass of Cabernet, and next thing I know, I'm ordering a big old radio. Look, for the price, you can't beat it. Hands down, you seriously can't. In and out ADSB and WAS for less than $7. It's insane. So looking forward to that. Looking forward to making some radio calls. Have a good weekend, everyone. I will be out of town all weekend. I'm getting away. Oh, as I'm looking down at the video, one of the readers had asked about the galvanized pails I keep my Clecos in. After further consulting with the interior decorator of the house, don't know where those came from. Sorry. But they're really awesome. If you can find them, I mean, they're really cool. Anyway, yeah, I'm taking the weekend off from the plane, mostly because I don't have a camera, and you've really missed some good stuff lately. I'll tell you all about it later, so thank you for joining me. See you soon.